Unit of life.
Unit of life.
Yes, that's fine. Okay, good. Okay, so can you tell me some names of the organelles of the cell? Shalan and Azan.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the names of some organelles of cell?
Nucleus,
Cell membranes,
mitochondria,
cytoplasm,
cytoplasm.
mitochondria.
Okay, very good, excellent. So I'm going to ask from Shalan first. Shalan, first tell me, yeah, what's the role of uh, nucleus in a cell?
The nucleus is basically the brain of the cell. It controls chemical reactions and what of and it basically tells the cell membrane what substances to allow inside the cell.
No, no, but a nucleus. Nucleus. I'm just talking about nucleus. Please look at the screen and then tell me, okay?
Controls cell activity, cell growth,
Yes.
cell division, and protein
Yes. Okay, very good.
synthesis.
Excellent. Aizan, very good, excellent. But try to start memorizing this stuff, okay? Try because
Okay, ma'am.
once we have completed the chapter, we are going to uh, I'm going to take a class test from you, okay? So try memorizing the stuff side by side, okay? Try revising it at home, okay? Even if there is break in classes, even if we have some missed classes, that's fine, okay? Okay, Aizan, can you tell me what's the role of cell membrane?
Ma'am, the cell membrane's role is to I'm
Like
pretty
a
sure
cell, for
it
example.
controls what
Mhm.
cells can come in and out of the cell
Okay,
wall
good, Shabash.
and
But,
nucleus.
like I said, very good, very good. Like I said, that cell, in actual cell membrane is the security guard of the, it's guard for the cell, okay? Anything that is coming would be checked here, okay? And anything that is going out would be checked here. So in actual terms, it controls what comes in and goes out of the cell, okay? Is it clear, both of you, Shalan and Aizan? Any questions still here?
No,
O- Okay, Shabash. Okay,
Ma'am,
now can you tell me that what is the role of cytoplasm in a cell? Shalan and Aizan?
yes.
ma'am, it's to support the organelles.
What is it called? Cytoplasm organelle, okay.
Ma'am, it's to support the organelles.
Yes, it is
Ma'am,
not.
your voice is cutting out for me.
Yes.
Your voice is very glitchy. I can't hear questions properly.
Okay. And is it same with you, Shana?
I I am Shalom.
Okay, it's audible. Azan, is your network uh, working well?
Ma'am, mostly yes. It's a little bit slow though.
Okay, that's fine. It's okay. Okay, beta, cytoplasm, remember, cytoplasm is not an organelle. Okay, it is a jelly. It is a jelly or a liquid in which all the organelles are being contained. Okay, okay, beta. Can you hear me, both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we also have another student with us, Mohammed Saif. Assalamu alaikum, beta. Can you unmute your mic?
Yeah, ma'am.
How are you, beta?
Fine, Alhamdulillah.
Okay, so you are new in a biology class, right?
Yes.
Okay, so can you give a brief introduction? Beta, how much you have started biology already? Or this is the you're starting from the basic right now?
Yeah, I'm starting from basic.
Okay, you are enrolled in class 9, right?
Yeah,
Okay, good, Shabash. Okay, so Saif, just for the little brief overview, what we are studying, we have started from chapter number 1 of O levels biology. Okay, we are uh, we are studying cell. Okay, cell definition and different types of cells. Okay, okay. So please, do you know anything about cell, Mohammed sir? What do you know about cell? Or you don't know anything about cell? Please unmute your mic and please turn on your camera. Aizan, you cannot turn on your camera also?
Ma'am, I don't have the camera for my computer. I need to buy it.
Okay, 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 that's fine. And Mohammed Saif, please unmute your mic and please turn on your camera.
ma'am, my net is like little glitchy, so I can't understand your
Okay,
voice.
okay, I am saying, what do you know about a cell? What is a cell?
Cell is like it reproduce. It is a basic unit of life.
Okay, very good. It is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Very good. Okay, so we have studied the organelles of cell and where they are contained. Okay, first organelle of cell is, for example, we started from cell membrane. It is the outer membrane of the cell, and it is partially permeable membrane. Partially permeable means that it controls what goes in and out. It only allows partial substances to go in and out of the cell. Okay, and it is a thin living but partially permeable membrane surrounding the cell, and it controls the movement of substances in and out of the cell. Okay, this is cell membrane. It acts as a security guard for the cell. Okay, now another important organelle is nucleus. Like Shalan just said, that nucleus is the one that controls the cell activities of the cell. It is the brain of the cell, and it controls all the cell activities of the cell. Okay, cell growth, cell division, protein synthesis. Okay, then we have mitochondria. Mitochondria, it is the powerhouse of cell. Powerhouse of cell means that it is going to provide with energy, like we have powerhouses in our townships or in our colonies or in our cities that provide us with power and light. Okay, so mitochondria act as the powerhouse of cell, and it provides energy for how does it provide energy? It provides energy by aerobic respiration in the form of ATP. I hope it is clear, Aizan, Shalan, Mohammed sir,
It is clear, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
and Shalan, is it clear?
It's clear.
Okay, good. Then we have cytoplasm. Like Aizan said, that it is a jelly-like fluid containing all the organelles. And what does cytoplasm do? Cytoplasm, it
Ma'am, it also supports the organelles.
yes, it supports organelles, it holds the organelles, and it carries out chemical reactions of the cell. All the chemical reactions of the cell happen here. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Then we have vacuole. Vacuole is temporary in animal cells. Okay, vacuole is not a permanent vacuole. It has very less role in an animal cell. You can just remember that animal vacuoles, they store food. Okay, and then we have ribosomes. For your O levels, we only need to remember that ribosomes are the site for protein synthesis. Okay. Any questions still here? Azan, Shalan, Mohammed Saif. And please keep
Ma'am,
on asking the questions. Anything that is not clear, beta, please keep on asking me. Okay. Any questions still here?
No, ma'am. I don't have any questions.
Not really.
Same.
Okay, now Shalan, please tell me about what do you know about a plant cell?
A plant cell has a few extra parts of cells that animal cell does not, such as a cell wall, a, a sap vacuole that contains sap, and cytoplasm, not cytoplasm, wait, chloroplasts. Chloroplasts. A plant cell has a definite shape.
Please tell
Ma'am, I
me.
can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
Ma'am, I can now hear you.
Okay, just give me a second. I'll just rejoin.
Okay.
Okay.
I- Ma'am,
And students, please wait for 2 minutes. Your teacher is coming. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, class. So sorry. My uh, laptop just hanged. Can you all hear me? Arizan,
Yes,
Shalan, and
ma'am.
Muhammad? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we were discussing that. Let me share my screen once again. We were discussing the organelles of animal cell, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
I
We
was
were.
okay. So any questions right now? Any one of you, please unmute your mic, Mohammed Saif, Aizan, and Shalan, and just let me know any questions still here, please. Please unmute your mic.
No
Aizan, Shalan,
questions, ma'am.
no questions?
Yeah, ma'am. No
Okay,
questions.
very good. Okay, now let's move forward. Plant cell. Okay, so what do you know? Some of the students have already studied plant cell. Okay, quick revision, quick recap, Shalan. What's the difference between an animal and a plant cell? Hurry up.
An
Just
animal cell does not have a cell wall. A plant cell does. The, uh, a plant cell has a definite shape, unlike an animal cell. Um,
okay, very
in
good. Okay, the two are
animal
fine.
cells have small
Okay,
vacuoles, and
Shalan.
plant cells have a large vacuole. That's
Okay,
it.
Shalan. Okay, thank you so much. Very good. Now, Azan, your turn.
Ma'am,
I'm
what
sorry.
question? The differences between plant cell and animal cell?
Yeah.
M- Ma'am, I don't know any differences. I'm new to this chapter.
Okay, you haven't studied the difference between plant and animal cell and plant
Yes,
cell,
ma'am.
Azan?
I also haven't started.
Yes, Mohammed Saif, I know you haven't started, but Azan, you weren't there in the last lecture?
Ma'am, I was, but I think I got like disconnected
Oh,
because of
okay, okay.
internet issues.
Okay, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, beta, we plant and animal cells are different from each other. Number one, okay? They are not same. They have some similar organelles. Mostly the organelles are similar, but they are different also, okay?
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
so what's the difference between an animal and a plant cell? Let me zoom it out a bit. Okay, number one, beta, look at the shape of the plant cell. Can you all look at the shape of the plant cell here? This one? It's a bit regular than an animal cell. Can you see that? An animal cell was like in an irregular shape, something circular, not always circular, but irregular shape. But can you see a plant cell that is kind of rectangular mostly? Every one of you, Azan, Shalan.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see that a plant cell is is in regular shape?
Yes, ma'am. I see that the plant cell has more of a square-like shape, while the animal cell has more like a circular and irregular shape.
Good, shabash. And can you, Mohammed Saif, can you see that they have a regular shape? Can you also see?
Yes, ma'am. I can see that.
Okay, good, shabash. Okay, so now look at the diagram. The plant cell has a cell membrane, okay? Cell, can you see a plant cell has a cell membrane, okay? This red part, if this is a cell membrane, the black part, then what is this? Another kind of coating around the cell in a plant cell. What
Cell
could that
wall, I
be?
guess.
Very good, excellent. That's a cell wall. Azan and Mohammed said this is new for you both. So this is a cell wall, okay? What's the role of a cell wall? Because the role of the security guard is of a site of is of cell membrane, right? So cell membrane is doing its job. It is partially permeable. It is allowing only some substances to move across it and some not to move across it, okay? But what's the role of a cell wall? The role of a cell wall is that it supports the cell. It gives support to the cell. I'm going to use a word here. I'm going to write down one word for you. That is, it maintains the turgor pressure of the plant. Maintains the turgor pressure of plant. Any one of you who knows what is this turgor pressure or turgor pressure? What is this?
Ma'am, your voice cutted. What?
I'm saying any one of you who knows what is turgor pressure, please
No,
keep
no,
your
ma'am. I
mics
don't know.
unmuted. Shalan, Mohammed Saif and Azan, please keep your mics unmuted. Please, I'm not going to repeat it again and again.
Okay.
Mohammed Saif, please unmute your mic. Okay, now tell me, what do you does any one of you know what is turgor pressure?
No, ma'am.
Mohammed Saif and Shalan.
When the cell is, I don't remember the definition.
Okay, beta.
The internal force of water pushing outwards against the cell wall is a
That.
Okay,
turgor pressure.
okay, beta. What happens? What is a turgor pressure? Yes, that's fine. That whenever something we have filled something with water. Okay, for example, we have filled this vessel or this something like a kind of maybe a trash bag. Okay, maybe a trash bag. We have filled it with water, and we have put a knot onto it. Okay, or a balloon. Okay, like we fill water in the balloon. Okay, now we keep on filling it with water. We keep on adding the water until it bursts, right? Okay, there, because a balloon or a shopper or a trash bag or anything like that doesn't have anything that is going to maintain that pressure, maintain the water pressure, maintain that pressure coming from inside of the water, inside of the you can say anything, balloon or anything. Okay, so that is turgor pressure of the water, okay, against the walls. Okay, is it clear what is
Okay,
turgor
ma'am.
pressure? Okay, good, shabash. So when the plant cell is being filled with water, because water is a main ingredient of plant cells, it is needed. The plant cells need water, a lot of water all the time for photosynthesis. That is why, to maintain the turgor pressure of the plant and to strengthen the plant, uh, obviously, to strengthen the plant for, like, because the plants stems, their leaves, they need to be supported by something, yeah, right? They are needed to be supported by something. So to give that support to them, that is the thing that Allah put in the plant cells, that is cell wall. Okay, that's an exception for plant cell. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, shabash. So now moving on to the next thing that a plant cell has, it has a large vacuole inside it, okay? And that vacuole, it contains sugars and salts, okay? It contains sugars and salts, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So what's the role of sugar and salts in a vacuole? We are going to study that, why they are needed, why sugars are needed. Can you tell me why sugars are needed? Maybe they are needed for you can say respiration. Okay, sugars are needed for respiration. They are being made for different to be converted into amino acids for the growth of plant. We are going to study this thing in detail about the vacuoles, about the cell sap or the vacuole. Okay. And
Okay, ma'am.
one thing I'm going to add here, it is a part of your past papers, that what is this layer of vacuole called? Like, this is cell wall, this is cell membrane. What is this layer of vacuole called? It is called tonoplast. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
it is called tonoplast. Okay, and also the plant cells, they have chloroplast inside them. Animal cells do not have chloroplast. Why? Because plant cells need to carry out photosynthesis. So these green structures are chloroplast found inside the plant cells. Okay, these are the differences between animal and plant cells. That number one, this is a table that I drew for the all of the students that day. Number one, shape. Animal cell has an irregular shape and plant cells have a regular shape. Then cell wall. Animal cells does not have a cell wall. Plant cells have a cell wall. Then vacuole. Animal cells have small temporary vacuoles, like I said before, and plant cells have large permanent vacuoles. Chloroplast. Animal cells do not have chloroplast. Plant cells have chloroplast. And food storage, like in which form the sugars are being stored in animal cells. the sugars are being stored in animal cells in the form of glycogen. Our stores of sugar inside the body is in form of glycogen. When our body needs sugar, when our body needs energy, this glycogen is broken down into glucose and released in the blood for energy. Okay, but in plant cells, the sugar stores are in form of starch. The starch is stored, and when they need it, they are broken down into glucose or sucrose or any kind of sugars. Okay, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shalan, Azan, and Mohammed Saib, any questions now? I need you to ask me some questions. And Mohammed Saib, please unmute your mic. Any questions till now? Please do ask something. There must be some confusion.
Ma'am, why does the animal cell have a irregular shape while the plant cell has a regular one?
Okay, why? Good question, beta. But like irregular in the sense because plant cells they are made in regular shapes. Okay, like for example, when we viewed a leaf under a microscope, we saw that they have regular shape. Like for example, there like we cannot answer this in why, like why are some human beings tall and why are some human beings small, okay, short. So there is no particular like reason for them being that, but because of difference in their properties, because of difference in their functions, because of the difference in the functions that they carry out, animals carry out different kind of functions, plants carry out different kind of functions. Okay, that is why their shapes are different. Okay, any other questions, Shalan or Mohammed sir?
Nope.
None. And Mohammed sir?
No.
Okay. So now this is clear to you all. Tomorrow we are going to continue from here. Okay. And we are going to extend our the same topic to a new subtopic. Okay. It's a very important
Okay,
lecture.
ma'am.
Please be present in class, all of you. And tomorrow we are
Okay,
not
ma'am.
going to do any revision. Okay. So do the revisions yourself. Okay. At home today. I might be asking you the difference between animal and plant cells. Okay. You can take the screenshot from the screen right now if you want to, or picture.
Light on.
Yes. Anything you were asking, Azan?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So tomorrow I might be asking any one of you what's the difference between an animal and a plant cell. So please do some revision at home. And tomorrow we are going to do another type of cell in class. Okay. That is very important for our biology course. Okay.
Okay.
This was all for today's class, beta.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
inshallah.
Love, ma'am.
See you tomorrow, inshallah. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.